this is all I've left. This fish, he's all I have, and I'm all he has left. I was programmed to protect and kill humans, but I found this fish, and I want the fish to feel wanted, unlike me. If none of this happened, I would have been made for scrap metal, and you would have never been able to meet me. I would have been made for more suits, like the thing you referred to as Hacksaw, and I don't want to be one of those things. Frank, you are one of flesh and metal. I only have a heart. We are very similar, but in different ways. Please. All I have is this fish. Without it, I am nothing but scrap metal. Walking scrap metal with human emotions and a human heart placed inside of me. You are almost the same. You were lost, but you're alive again, just like me. Beep boop bop, surrender your coochie.
Beep boop bop, surrender your coochie to me. Surrender your coochie to me.